check ng card kung magbabayad pa kami hindi. Wow, malapit na tayo.
It's with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind and
Nakababa na tayo.
it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.
Ngayon ay muna na tayo sa building na to. Yan. Diyan daw yung minakim eh. Tignan natin kung paano pumunta. Oh my God. Paano ako dito sa kabila. Yan. Ayun, kaya nang tumawid. Third floor.
And I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this
Nantok
up.
pa si Lolo.
Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see.
Ravville. Nabila tayo sa Ravville. Shalom. It's me, Jason Rubio. Yep. Thank you.
Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my
Why is
side.
anything here
You
temporary?
and I break our hearts open in half just to see it
But this is
all, but
not
I'm
the problem.
back. No matter what they try, I'll stay
But
by
it's
your
living here for
side.
1 year.
It's you and I.
I feel it, okay?
It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line.
tayo.
You got me and I got you.
Please open.
And we got a lot to prove. They think
naman
we're
tayo
too
na
damaged to fix, but
160.
we're just working through a
Uwi sa
little
trabaho.
rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see it, but won't put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side.
Alas 5 na ng hapon. Kain muna ako. Kwento ko lang about sa visa ko. Nag-start ako dito noong December 8 as a special visa, kasi tinawag na special visa or humanitarian visa kasi more than 4 years and 3 months na ako dito sa Israel. Kaya automatic special visa or humanitarian visa na yung i-apply sa akin, which is 50-50 kung ma-approve yung application mo para sa humanitarian visa or hindi. Kung hindi ma-approve, alanganin ka na. So kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi hindi niya ako pinabayaan na nagbigay pa rin siya ng chance. Alam nyo ba, bago nung nag-umpisa ako dito, nagpirma ako ng hindi ko alam kung letter yun from immigration na once na hindi na-aprobahan yung visa ko, kailangan ko ng lisanin ang bansang Israel. Di ba ang lungkot? Tapos umiyak pa ako nung sinabi ng babae dito na 50-50 daw na kung hindi daw ma-approve yung visa ko, yung application para sa humanitarian visa, wala na silang magagawa. Doon ako so nalungkot nung sinabi yun kasi ayoko po umuwi, pandemic. Kaya tayo, sobra ako nalungkot that time kasi sinabing gano'n na kailangan ko lang lisanin itong bansang Israel, or pwede naman na hindi ako uwi, kaso TNT na tayo nun. Pero sabi nga, kung hihingin mo sa Panginoon, ibibigay niya hanggat ikaw ay may pananampalataya sa Kanya. Ayun, sobrang thankful ako sa Panginoon kasi hindi niya ako pinabayaan. Tsaka nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga taong nag-pray na ma-approvehan yung visa ko, sa mga kasama ko sa Bible study, sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga nagmamahal sa akin, sa mga hindi nagmamahal, okay lang. Yun syempre, especially sa mga sa employer ko kasi sila yung nag-push na i-apply yung visa ko. Kaya yun, salamat talaga. Tuloy ang labang. Last. So, yun lang. Basta, lagi lang tayo magtiwala na bibigay ni Lord yung mga bagay na inihiling natin as long na may pananampalataya tayo. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Paalam. God bless you.